Hi there, students. Moo. Okay, M-O-U-E, not moo as a cow. A moo, a countable noun. Okay, so a moo is a pout. That probably doesn't help you very much. A moo is a facial expression. Watch my mouth. That is a moo. It's an expression of annoyance. It's a grimace where, if you tell your girlfriend, I've got to work on Saturday, she looks at you and goes, yeah. She makes a moo. Yeah. So to pout. This is to pout when somebody's angry. I think pout is much stronger than moo. A moo is just the expression itself. I think if somebody is pouting, they're pushing their lips out, but they're pretending to be ill-tempered. They're pretending to sulk. Yeah. You don't love me anymore, she pouted. Okay, but a moo, a pout. So a small little grimace. Yeah, a pouting, disdainful look. Yeah, I think also maybe a moo could be if somebody's being flirtatious. There was a flirtatious moo on her face. Okay, okay, so a moo, a pout. This is normally this expression is used to show that you're a little bit annoyed, that you think something is rather distasteful, that you don't really like it very much. Yeah, he made a little moo of disappointment. When I told the kids that I wasn't taking them to the cinema, I could see these little moos of disappointment on their face. Okay, so a moo, a pouting grimace. Yeah, a moo. Whenever he doesn't like something, you always see a moo on his face. Okay, so notice as well, this pouting or this moo is called the snout reflex. This is something that doctors sometimes test for when they're testing for brain damage. And it's one of the reflexes that you're supposed to be able to do. Yeah. And they call it the snout reflex because this looks like the snout, the nose of a pig. Yeah. And it's called the snout reflex, or the pursing of the lips to pout. Yeah, but a moo, this is a facial expression, nothing more than that, where your lips are pushed out. You bring the sides of your mouth together, and you push out your mouth, and that is to pout. And normally this is where you're a little bit sad about something. You wish things were different. So yeah, she made a little moo of disappointment. Okay, so what about formality? A moo. I think maybe a lot of native speakers aren't going to know this one, although I think it's a good word. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, this comes directly from French, moue, yeah, and with exactly the same meaning. Faire la moue, to pout, yeah. Okay, so if somebody's pouting, they've got this moo on their face. Okay, so yeah, do you think a moo looks rather sexy? Some people think that you can be flirtatious while mooing, but to me, it's a facial sign of trying to manipulate somebody. So moo. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Moo.